understand this, what is wrong length of chain. Okay, so just take an example. If you are going in a field, and you are doing the measurement using chain, okay, using chain. So just take an example. This is just an arbitrary values. If I take the standard chain as 30 meter, okay, I took my standard chain as 30 meter and I went into the field for measurement, for measuring the distance of a particular area. And I found the distance, some distance. Let's consider 1000 meter. Later on, I came to my office and I realized the standard length of my tape is got, either it can be shrunk or it can be expand. Okay, I'll use a black marker now. Okay, if I'll write again. So when I do the measurement of this standard chain, I found it can be shrunk or it can be expanded. Okay, so I'm taking both the value right now. I found this came out to be 30.1 meter. 30.1 meter. Okay, it means what? The length that I was thinking is 30 meter. It was not 30 meter. It is my 30.1 meter actual on ground. So the measurement that I have done using 30.1 is your wrong. So I represent it as dash. And this is also your wrong because this is not standard. Now you want the actual length of the tape. The actual length of the tape, actual measurement of the area. So you will represent it as capital L. So just remember one thing, no formula, nothing. Just remember true into true is equal to false into false. Okay, it means whatever the true reading that will come this side, the true reading is your 30 meter and the true length that you have to calculate, and the false reading is this capital L dash, which is actual on ground, that is your 30.1, and the false measurement that you have done in the field, that is your 1000. Okay, so now can you calculate the true one? You can directly calculate the true one. 30.1 into 1000 divided by 30. Okay, so by using this formula, you can get the actual length of the field. Okay, is it clear? Yes, this is the shortcut. There is no need of mugging up the formula. I told you in the starting that I'll not allow you, or I won't say you to mug up any formula. So this is the shortcut. Okay, so just remember this thing, true into true is equal to false into false. That's it, nothing else. Okay, is it clear? This concept is clear, right? Capital L, just see here and write. Capital L is equal to standard length of the tape, or true length of the tape, standard length of the tape or true length of the tape. Okay, next write capital L dash. Write in this wrong length of the tape. Wrong length of the tape. In bracket write which is actual on ground, which is actual on ground. Okay. Next, write small l. Small l is equal to correct length of the line. Correct length of the line. Next, write small l dash. Small l dash. Wrong length measured. Wrong length measured. After that, write true into true. True into true is equal to false into false. Okay. In place of true, just write capital L into small l. Okay. Then here capital L dash and small l dash. Just this thing. Clear? Write down the question. Write down the question. Okay, before writing question, just tell me one thing. Tell me one thing. This is your correct length that you want. The formula for that will become nothing but L dash by L into small l dash. Right? If I want the correct area, then what will be the formula? Nothing but L dash by L square into L dash. Okay. If I want the volume, then it will be nothing but L by L dash. L dash by L whole cube into L dash. Okay. So nothing. If you want area, just square this. If you want the volume, just cube of this. Nothing else. Okay. So I hope there is nothing like you clearly understand it. There is nothing like mugging up the formula. Just remember true into true is equal to false into false. That's it. Okay. Just write this. After that we'll do the question. L dash, मैम L dash स्क्वायर नहीं होगा. Why? For area, it is L dash by L square. There will be no this square of this length. No square of this length. Only square of this tape one. Okay, nothing else. It should not be L dash. It should be area, ma'am. Where? No, yaar. It will be length only, na. I wrote in terms of area. Just remember this thing. Meter into meter will give you area only, na. Meter square. And when you are saying here L dash and L, it is cube of that. So meter cube, this is square. Okay, this is square. And okay. I got it. Here it will be L dash. Okay, I got it. Sorry. I got your point. It will be V dash A dash. Okay. Yes, it is clear. Here it will be A dash and here it will be V dash. Yeah, I'm sorry. I wrote it wrong. Now write down the formula. Question. Write down the question. If length of a line measured as 12564 meter, 12,564 meter using 30 meter chain, later on it was found the actual length of chain is first part of the question is 30.25 meter, and in second part of the question is 29.6 meter. Calculate the correct length in each case. So give me the answer for each case. Yes. Okay, I hope it is clear to everyone. It is given the length measured as L-12564. Okay, and the standard length of tape is how much? 30 meter. In first case, L dash is 30.25 meter, and he asked you to calculate small L dash. So nothing, that is your true into true is equal to false into false. So your true is nothing but 30 into L that you have to calculate. False is 12564 into 30.25. So the answer is nothing but 12668.7 meter. Okay, I hope it is clear. And the second case, same. Instead of 30.25, just write 29.6 and you will get the answer as what's the answer? 396.7 meter. Okay, so you got to know about the error. So can you tell me how much the error in each case? What is the error in each case? You know the formula of error? Measured value minus true value. So tell me about the error. Just tell me the nature of the error. Whether it is positive or negative in first case. The error is positive or negative. Just tell me. In first case. So your measured value is 12564 minus your actual value is 12668.7. So this is positive or negative? Error is coming out to be negative. So what will be the nature of correction? Positive. So here your correction will be positive. And what about the second case? In this case, error is positive. 12564 minus your 12396.7. It means error is coming out to be positive. So correction will be negative. Okay, is it clear? correction will be negative. Okay, so the nature of error and correction is different. Okay, if the error is coming out to be negative, the correction will be positive one. If the correction is if the error is coming out to be positive, then correction will be your negative. Clear? Is it clear? Positive, negative? It's totally depend upon the value. So if it is clear, then come to the next topic. The next topic is chain correction. Write down the heading chain correction.